Hello everyone, it's Hanny with my Junk Journal Embellishment Challenge number 77, and the prompt is embroidery. I don't know how you pronounce it, but well, this stuff, this is embroidery. Difficult word for me. Well, I have a big box full of embroidery stuff, but I couldn't find it. As always, when I need something, I can't find it. It's a very big box. It's a box you can see through. It's transparent, so I only have to watch. I can see it when it's on the shell, but I can't find it. I don't know where it is. It's making me nuts, not that I can't find things. But I found this in an old magazine, an embroidery pattern, and here are a few patterns, and a lot of stuff in my bins that has to do with embroidery. This is embroidery, but in white, but I don't think I'm going to use that. Here is embroidery, but I don't think I'm going to use that too. Here little yes, sort of doilies, and here a lot of stuff. This is a beautiful one. Here a bigger one, and I have some sort of lace with embroidery on it. Here is one. Don't know if you can see it. Here is one, and this one with little dogs on it. Well, like I said, the prompt is embroidery, and the optional is to make a booklet. So I'm going to make a booklet. Oh yeah, and I have this stuff. That's some, I don't know how you call that. It's not lace, but it's band, sort of band. You can do embroidery on different kinds of. Maybe I can do something with that. And I have, where is it? I had a big needle, a very big one. Oh, it's such a day again. Well, it's somewhere, and I have a box of yarn, lots of yarn, and I have my scraps, so I think I can make a booklet. The first thing I'm going to do now is well, choose some stuff I want to use. Don't know what yet, but I gather some things, and I hope there's going to pop up an idea in my head, and then I'm going to make the booklet. I'm going to speed up again and enjoy watching.